Nurses, ang SATA, palagi kong binabanggit. Pag 100% sure ka, dun mo lang piliin. If you're not 100% sure, please wag mo na pong piliin. Bakit? Wala po yan sa paramihan at pakuntian ng sagot. Nasa tamang sagot yan para hindi ka right minus wrong. Okay? So kahit 1 point, 2 points, no? Malaking bagay yun kasi naman sa 0. 'Di ba? Pinagkiklik mo yung mga hindi naman dapat. Paubos tuloy yung score mo. Nurse is reviewing a patient's comprehensive metabolic panel or your CMP. No, ito yung results for electrolytes abnormalities daw. The nurse understands that electrolytes are responsible for which functions. Select all that apply. Letter A, influencing blood pressure. Letter B, transmitting nerve impulses. Letter C, maintaining fluid balance. Letter D, stimulating muscle contraction. And letter E, determines secondary sex characteristics. Okay, so yung mga nurses natin na nandito, no? May idea ba kayo kung paano magsagot ng select all that apply question? Mahirap po ba yan? Paano kaya magsagot ng SATA, sir? Hirap na hirap ako dyan. No? Okay, nurses, ang SATA, palagi kong binabanggit. Pag 100% sure ka, dun mo lang piliin. If you're not 100% sure, please wag mo na pong piliin. Bakit? Wala po yan sa paramihan at pakuntian ng sagot. Nasa tamang sagot yan para hindi ka right minus wrong. Okay? So kahit 1 point, 2 points, no? Malaking bagay yun kasi naman sa 0. 'Di ba? Pinagkiklik mo yung mga hindi naman dapat. Paubos tuloy yung score mo. Ngayon, kung pag-uusapan dito, nurses, we're looking for a positive or negative statement here. Yung tamang sagot ba yung hinahanap natin? Ano daw po ang kailangan nating magets pag merong electrolytes abnormalities? So something like correct answer, no? O yung tama, no? When it comes to electrolytes. So positive, lagay natin dito. Nurses, ask yourself. Letter A, influencing blood pressure. Tama, mali? Tama, mali? Tama. Binabanggit natin yan, lalo yung sodium mo, 'di ba? O, pag may sodium, it attracts water. O, it increase blood volume. Ade, mataas ang blood pressure mo. Okay, letter B, transmitting nerve impulses. Tama, mali? Tama. Sinabi na natin yan kanina. Alam mo na kung bakit? Yung positive and negative charge na dala-dala nila, they will stimulate the cell, no? And dahil doon, sunod-sunod na yan para magkaroon ka na ng muscle contraction. O kaya yung nervous system mo mag-works by sensing kung ano ang nangyayari. External stimuli, ma-integrate ng brain, ng CNS, and then bibigyan ka niya ng output, no? So you can flex your muscle, o kaya, no, na needle prick ka, natuso ka dito, tas naramdaman mo, masakit, ilalis mo yung kamay mo, o ganun yun. Transmitting nerve impulses, ganun kabilis. Electrolytes ang tumutulong doon, no? Maintaining fluid balance, tama, mali? Definitely yes. Okay? Stimulating muscle contraction, kakasabi ko lang naman eh. Tama, sir. May binanggit po ba akong determining secondary sex characteristics? Hindi, no? So nurses, kung sa apat na to, may hindi ka sigurado, huwag mo nilang piliin. Pero kung 100% sure ka at alam mo na aral mo, piliin mo. At dahil dyan, i-reveal natin ang tamang sagot. So the correct answers are A, B, C, and D. So perfect po ba? Perfect. Ganyan. Kaya pag nagre-review tayo ng comprehensive metabolic panel, remember that electrolytes perform the key electrical and fluid regulation functions that keep the body stable. Okay? They help control your blood pressure because they regulate how much fluids in the body, di ba? They transmit nerve impulses, which is why abnormal electrolyte levels can cause numbness, confusion, or seizures. Tama po ba? They maintain fluid balance by pulling water into or out of the cells. That's correct. And they stimulate muscle contraction, including the heart. Mention natin kanina. So, yung apat na role na yan, blood pressure regulation, nerve transmission, fluid balance, and muscle contractions are all essential functions na dapat na ma-expect sa atin ni NCLEX na masagot mo at ma-recognize mo. And at yung letter E na yan, determining secondary sex characteristics is hormone-driven and has nothing to do po with your electrolytes. Di po ba? Loud and clear po ba tayo, nurses? You have questions, clarifications? Anyone in the group? Please let me know. Interrupt nyo ako. Pwede kayong mag-unmute. Pwede rin kayong mag-chat. No? Tama po ba? Okay, sige tuloy po natin. I think wala. Okay, let's proceed.